In this chapter, we are going to talk about array data structure and arrays related methods. So as we learned earlier, an array is a container object that stores a fixed number of items from the same data type. It is very important that an array can store items with the same data type. So we are not able to store strings, integers, and floating point numbers in the same array. A given array can store items with the same data type. Each item can be referred to by an index. Arrays are zero-based, which means that indices starts with 0. Okay, so this is how we can create a one-dimensional array of strings. We can define the given values, so Adam, Kevin, and Joe, or we can create a one-dimensional array of strings with the new keyword, so new string, and we can define the number of items we are going to store in the one-dimensional array. The first item, so with index 0, this is what we have been talking about, that arrays are zero-based. So the first item is Adam, the second item is Kevin, the third item is Joe. So we end up with the exact same one-dimensional array of strings if we use something like this. So curly braces and Adam, Kevin, and Joe. Okay, we can loop through the array with the help of a for each loop. So for string n in the names one-dimensional array, we have to make sure that it is going to be a string because we store strings in the one-dimensional array. We just print out the given values, so Adam, Kevin, and Joe on a one-by-one basis. The array class contains several important methods. These methods can be used for modifying, sorting, copying, or searching the data within the array. We already learned about one of these methods earlier, and that was the sort operation. So we have a one-dimensional array of integers 1, 5, 3, -2, 10, and 8. And with the help of the arrays.sort method, we are able to sort this one-dimensional array, which means that the result is going to be the numerical order. So if we iterate through the integers one by one, then the order will be -2, 1, 3, 5, 8, and 10, which is the numerical order. In the next lectures, we are going to talk about the most relevant methods as far as array data structure is concerned. As always, you can look around on the website of Oracle for more information on array-related methods. So you just have to go to docs.oracle.com and you can check whatever method you are looking for. In the coming lectures, we are going to talk about arrays implementation. Thanks for watching.